This could be interesting. I'm going to try and make my way up the valley, following the stream. I've just done a bit of chopping and cutting away from the waterfall so people can see. And we're going to try and make our way up and see what happens. Hopefully I don't fall over. But this is our wildlife reserve. This is the stream and the waterfalls that run in the wet season. Very beautiful, very peaceful. We come up in here, you just see the bridge up there. I've just chopped away bits and pieces from here, which is all right. Just got to be a bit careful because I've not got the right pair of shoes on. All should be good. Passion fruit, tons of it. Never planted it here, I don't think. I think it's just started to grow wild. It is a domesticated variety. It's making our way up. This plant is called Malastoma. This is a medicinal plant. This is used if you've got an upset tummy, if you've got diarrhea or anything like that. Mother-in-law's tongue, aptly named because it's sharp at the end. We come in here. And this is our top waterfall. So this is the boundary of our lands just up there. This is the top waterfall. And again, you can see this from the bridge because I've just chopped things away. This is the pathway if people don't want to go across the big bridge. I've just chopped all this so it does look a bit untidy maybe. But it's a beautiful valley, tons of bird life in here and wildlife. Great place just to come and sit and relax and take it easy. We've left all this land to its own devices. Basically we just do some selective cutting every now and again so it doesn't get strangled, and then obviously we built the bridge to allow people access to it from a bit of a height. Probably the biggest tree in the whole area, this one here, Dipterocarp. Beautiful in here. Alrighty, I hope you're doing well. Looking forward to Christmas. I know it's going to be difficult during these COVID times, but we wish everybody all the very best. If you want a peaceful place to come and sit and relax and take it easy, you're more than welcome to come up here.